How to ask and tell about time in English? কয়টা বাজে একটু বলবে? Could you tell me the time please? Could you tell me the time please? আজকে কত তারিখ? Could you tell me the date please? Could you tell me the date please? Or what is the date today? Or what is the date today? আজকে কি বার? Could you tell me what's the day today? Could you tell me what's the day today? It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. 4টা বাজে. It's 5 past 4. It's 5 past 4. 4টা 5 বাজে. It's 10 past 4. It's 10 past 4. 4টা 10 বাজে. It's quarter past 4. It's quarter past 4. সোয়া 4টা বাজে. It's 20 past 4. It's 20 past 4. 4টা 20 বাজে. It's 25 past 4. It's 25 past 4. 4টা 25 বাজে. It's half past 4. It's half past 4. সাড়ে 4টা বাজে. It's 25 to 5. It's 25 to 5. 4টা 35 বাজে. It's 20 to 5. It's 20 to 5. 4টা 40 বাজে. It's quarter to 5. It's quarter to 5. পৌনে 5টা বাজে. It's 10 to 5. It's 10 to 5. 5টা বাজতে 10 মিনিট বাকি. It's 5 to 5. It's 5 to 5. 5টা বাজতে 5 মিনিট বাকি. স্পেশাল নোট: কোনো ইভেন্টের সময় বলার ক্ষেত্রে আমরা at plus time ব্যবহার করি. For example, the class starts at 9 o'clock. The train leaves at 10 to 3.